Alright, so we're ready to start smoking our brisket. We got our smoker box over here. We got our brisket. We've been dry rubbing that last night, overnight. Now we're gonna put it in the smoker. Now over here I got a bed of hot coals, and I soaked for a couple of hours some mesquite. So since today we're gonna smoke it some mesquite. This is a Texas style brisket, so it makes sense to make it with mesquite. We call it RGB since I'm from the RGB. So I soaked those mesquite for a little while, put them in there, start smoking. Let's put the brisket in the grill first. And remember, fat side up. You want these juices to render. So we're gonna put this sucker right here. And we're gonna add our mesquite over here. See, they've been soaking for a while now. Once I drop them in there, then I'm gonna start releasing that smoke, and that's what we want. Close that up and watch the temperature. I always like to keep it between 225 and 250. Make sure it doesn't, if it goes real high, make sure you open it. The temperature will drop, and if it starts going low, then you want to add a little bit more firewood into the smoker box so the temperature can rise again. So like I said, between 225 to 50, you want to keep it in between there. You want to keep your brisket at a consistent internal temperature. Once the brisket's done, I always like to have it between 190 degrees to 195 internal temperature. When I have a digital thermometer, stick it in the middle, make sure that it's perfectly cooked. We're gonna let this sucker smoke here for I would say about 8 hours. 7-pound brisket, so I'm gonna give about 8 hours, 8.5 hours. So see, it's already starting to smoke from the smoker box. So we'll be back in a couple of hours and to check our brisket, make sure that it's done. I'll bust on my digital thermometer. We'll see you guys in a couple of hours.